Class, today I'm going to teach you on 9.2, the pressure of the gas. Now before I want to teach you all the pressure of a gas, I want you all to see your learning outcome. You need to know and state the assumption of the kinetic theory of an ideal gas. You need to derive and use the equation for the pressure exerted by an ideal gas. Okay, let's look at the first part of this video, which will be the kinetic theory of gases. Now, according to the kinetic theory of gases consists of the following assumptions. So, these are the following assumptions. So, I'm going to number the assumption because later when I'm going to prove the pressure of a gas, I'm going to number it in the my derivation. Okay, number 1. It says that the gas consists of large number of molecules. Gas consists of large number of molecules. Okay, large number of molecules, which in this pressure of a gas, that means it consists of n molecules. Okay, and then after that another assumption, which is the assumption number 2, says the gas molecule are in constant free random motion. Constant free random motion. That means it is moving in random motion, but when we are doing the derivation, we assume they are moving in 3 directions, which is x, y, and z. Okay? Alright. Number 3. The gas molecules collide elastically with each other and with the wall of the container. So it's trying to tell us that the assumption says the collision is an elastic collision. Number 4. The volume of the gas molecule is negligible. Okay, the volume of the gas molecule is negligible compared with the volume of the gas. So what is taken into assumption, based on the assumption, is we are only interested with the volume of the gas. Okay, volume of the gas molecule is not interpreted in the derivation of the pressure of the gas. Okay. Number 5. Force between gas molecules are negligible except during collision. That means the only force that is taken into consideration of the derivation will be during collision. So the force during collision will be impulsive force. Because if you look at your prior knowledge, impulsive force are the force that is involved during collision, where impulsive force is equals to change of momentum divided by time. Okay, change of momentum divided by time, or some other words we can say rate change of momentum. Okay, number 6. The time of collision is negligible. That means we are not interested at the time when the molecule collide with the wall or each other, but we are only interested the time between collision. Okay, we are only interested with time between collision, which I will explain later what is the meaning time between collision. Okay, so these are 6 assumptions of the kinetic theory of gases, where we will be using the 6 assumptions to prove the pressure of a gas. And according to your learning outcome, you need to know and memorize the assumption of kinetic theory of gases. So this you have to memorize. Okay.